So you've got yourself a car and someone said to you, don't forget to get breakdown cover. Oh, breakdown cover, what for? My car's not going to break down. It might break down, it might not. That's the kind of risk you take. If I don't get breakdown cover and it doesn't break down in next year, then I've saved myself some money. But if it does break down, you want someone to be able to help you and sort you out in that situation, because it can be stressful. Consider what you want to get out of the breakdown cover. They can be basic packages and they can be add-ons. Now, what I mean by add-ons will be something like European cover. So if you're going to be in the next 12 months using your car to drive to France or to Spain, then you probably want European cover in there. But do read the terms on the European cover, what's covered, because there'll be little exclusions, I would have thought. If you don't need European cover, then don't get that on the breakdown for the next 12 months. And the other thing would be is, are you going to have a home start in there? Is it going to be, are you worried about your car not starting outside your house? If you're worried about winter might not start, then you might want to get home start. So if it breaks down in the morning before you go to work or go to college, then you can ring them up and say, can you come and fix my car? And they'll come along and they'll try and sort it for you. Or when you break down on the road, does it include picking you up and taking you away to the local garage? And how far away is that going to be to the local garage? That's something to think about. And or does it include that they're going to come along and fix the car there and then in front of you? So do read the terms and conditions to make sure what's included covers what you want. And good luck on hunting for some. I'll try and put a link below for you on a comparison website that you can look for that might help at the same time. So good luck, safe driving. I hope this quick video helps.